today's lesson, I'll show you how to play Imagine in a higher key more suitable for the female vocal range. Here's middle C for reference. The song is in the key of F major, which has one flat, but as we'll learn, there will be more black notes played. The piano accompaniment of the intro and the verses section both start off the same, and they sound like this. Starting with our left hand, we'll play F, followed by A, then B flat, and B flat again. For the intro, we'll play this twice. On the right, we'll start with playing A and C together. Then we play F. We play this 3 times. Then we play C and E together. Then F. Then we play B flat and D together, followed by F, and we play this 3 times. Next we play B flat and D together, followed by E flat and then E, which gives this song its signature sound. Let's play that with both hands together. The chords the notes are based on are F major, A minor, and B flat major. Let's call this section pattern number 1. This pattern is played twice for the intro. For the verse section, it is played 3 times in the beginning. Then we play the same pattern, except we play B flat major section 4 times instead. We call this section pattern 2, and it is played at the end of each verse. This brings us to the pre-chorus, which sounds like this. Let's break this down. On the left hand, we start with B flat twice, A twice, G twice, and F twice. Then we'll play C 4 times. On the right hand, we have B flat, D, and F played together, followed by F. We'll play this twice. We'll play this twice again. Then we'll play this again, except instead of F, we'll play G. And then we'll play the same thing with F instead of G. Then we'll play C and E together, followed by G. We'll play that 3 times. Then we'll play C and F together, followed by G. Then end with C and G together. Let's play that section with both hands. Let's call this section pattern 3, and it is played for the 3 pre-chorus sections of the song. We arrive at the chorus section, which sounds like this. On the left hand, we play B flat, C, F, and A, and we repeat this 3 times. Then we end with B flat, C, and F. On the right, we play B flat, D, F together, followed by F, and we play this twice. Then we have C and E played together, followed by G, and we play this twice as well. Then we have A, C, and F played together, followed by F, and we play this twice. Then we have B flat and E played together, then A, D flat, E, and G played together, followed by A. We play this entire section 3 times like so. section is based on the B flat major chord, C major chord, F major chord, and A major chord. Finally, we play our B flat major chord, C major chord, and end with F major chord. Let's play that with hands together. This section is pattern number 4 and it is played for the 2 chord sections of the song. If you feel this key still doesn't fit you, I'll upload a new tutorial for this song which will help you easily transpose the song to any key that fits your vocal range.